Hi Year 12, this is Mrs. Nambalara and I am going to be explaining to you how to complete task 3 of your assessment. So you need to go to your class teams page and click on your assessment that is called 17169 Pacific Society's assessment. If you click into there, then you'll see that there has been a task 3 added and an example. We're going to go into task 3 and I'm going to explain what to do and then we'll have a look at the example. So you need to open up task 3 and as you can see, this is the last stage of your assessment that we've been working on, this investigation into an aspect of Pacific society that's worth 5 credits. And this assessment is due this Friday, the 18th of March. So you have week 8 to be working on your final task, task 3 for the assessment. For task 3, you need to be writing a concluding report for your work, and you can write this report in this PowerPoint. Your report needs to be structured in the following way. You're going to be writing an introduction, which outlines your questions, not your hypothesis. Sorry. If that's on your PowerPoint, could you just delete it off? That's a mistake. You don't need to be saying anything about a hypothesis in your assessment. So you just need to introduce your report and outline your focusing questions that you've talked about. And then you need to write 1 paragraph per focusing question. So paragraph 1, you're going to write about focusing question 1 and so on. You then need to conclude overall and say what you have found. To complete your report, you can write on the PowerPoint, as you can see on the left-hand side. Each slide is going to work as a paragraph. So you're going to write your introduction, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and your conclusion. All right, and we're going to view that as a report overall. On your slides, you can see that I have written a scaffold for you. So you are most welcome to use the sentence starters that I've written. So you can just add on to those, whatever you want to say. And then you can probably highlight it and turn it to black so that it looks like your statement. But I'll just leave it in red so that you can see. And down here where it says overall, I found that I agreed or disagreed with my hypothesis. Can you just delete that? That again is a mistake. It's a level 3 thing and I should have taken it out. So that's my fault. You can just delete that. As you continue through, you can see that I've given you a structure to write your paragraphs with. So because we're in social sciences, we're going to be using our text paragraphs, as you can see down the side. So we've got our topic sentence, explanation, example, and tie back. So you need to use that structure for each of your paragraphs. And then you need to write a conclusion. Once you've completed this, could you please submit your assessments or turn in your assessment on Teams so that your teacher can see that you are finished? If you'd like to look at an example, you can go into task 3 example here and you can see how this student has gone through and answered each of her focusing questions on a different slide. She's included some images. If you'd like to include images, you're also welcome to. She's then concluded and written a bibliography. So this is a really great example of an assessment and you can have a little look at that. Obviously, please don't copy anything in this assessment. We can read the assessment and we'll be able to tell if you've copied this work directly. Good luck with completing your task 3, and if you have any questions, please email your teacher. Thank you.